Hello, how are you? How is everybody? It is time for another Origami Wednesday. And today we're going to make these cute little Santas. They're super easy, super fast, and they stand up on their own, which with this camera angle is really hard to see, but trust me, they're super cute and they stand up on their own. Okay, also I'm going to say that in the original instructions they had you stick either a little wadded up piece of paper like a tissue or a pom-pom, something on there to give him a little right on top of his hat, but I didn't have one, so we're just gonna have little pointy men. He's, like I said, he's really cute. Now Miss Ashley was kind enough to give me some of this cute washi paper. Okay, so to make Santa, you're going to start folding corner to corner. They also suggested if you had just single color paper, like it's red on both sides, it's just one color, you could do a red and a white, and then do the white on the inside, okay? Since this paper is naturally white on one side, I don't have to worry about it. So I can do a single sheet. So I'm going to fold, we're going to make our ice cream cone kite shapes. So I'm going to fold this guy, fold the sides up to the center. Okay. I'm going to fold my point not all the way up. Okay, I want to leave a little bit of space at the top. Get that nice hard crease. Flip it over and I'm going to fold this. Okay. Fold this flat, and then I'm going to fold it a little bit further because we want to give his cap a little bit of a brim. Okay, cap has a little bit of a brim. Fold this guy around. Fold this guy around, give that a nice hard crease. And look at him now, he just needs a face. You can also put a little red nose on him if you want. I didn't happen to have a red pen while I'm sitting here, so that makes it much harder to give him a little red nose. But that is how you make a little stand-up Santa. He's so cute. This would be great for place cards around the Christmas table. Or you could stick him, I don't know how your family does Christmas presents, but if you did piles of presents, you could put a Santa and write the person's name on the edge of his beard, and he could stand up and say whose presents are whose. The trickiest part of this is making sure everything's lined up. As you see, his beard is slightly crooked. I'm not going to worry about it because I still think he's cute. Anyway, that's a super easy little Santa Claus. Like I said, if you've got a pom-pom, this would be a great time to glue it onto the point of his hat and give him a little red nose if you've got your red pen with you. Everybody, have a Merry Christmas. We will have another Origami Wednesday next week. Have a great week. Bye.